All right, gang.
Made a little more progress than we thought. I got the expanded middle in this morning. Got this last wall tinned up. I put a little patch panel on this side. For what it is, it's fine. Got my corner flashing on. Got the back all screwed in. The corners across the back. Lawnmower hut. Sealed it up pretty good. Come around, we'll go inside. Look from the inside, looks like a damn jail cell. I need the one last piece of corner flashing. That shit's like 39 something. Oh, it's high at Lowe's. See a few little shotgun holes in this old used tin. But it come out pretty good. That's gonna provide vent, keep squirrels out maybe. I gotta block those corners up. Chicken wire or something. I don't know. I may shove some boards in there. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But anyway, this is a look at the inside. Got a little further than I thought it was. On back, once we block off this area right here, it'll have something similar to this tin right in here, and it's only gonna go up to maybe there and then down. That'll be a pretty good backdrop for future craft videos. That's good enough for one weekend. This Modam at Tire Creek Ironworks out.